Every one of us finding ways to survive. There's no exemption regardless of who we are, whether rich or poor. You could be a victim. You've got to realize money can't save your life in times of pandemic or world war will erupt. Let's enjoy our lives while we are. We're still alive. Love will lead us to the right.